it's doing decent right now. You know, it opened up a little bit bearish, but just had an easy recovery back up 10% on BMR.
I'm up as well. Yeah.
Now I'm trying to see BMR get to that $10 real fast. We're gonna be up about 30-40% instantly.
Yeah. Where do you think it's going to get to? Billy, on my chart, BMI is going to get to at least 695 today, yeah? So far. 695 is definitely going to get to on my chart. It's going green. I'm 2% up or something at the moment. Do you think I don't know. Do you think it's going to get to 7?
Man, you know, it do look like they're trying to fight that $7 on it, right?
Yeah. Once they hit that 7, I'm actually selling. Do you think? And then get back in again.
Yeah, I mean that'd be cool. I guess you lock in some quick gains in there, and then go ahead and get in for another round and hold a little bit longer. That's a move. Because once they get up to 7, they probably some people really gonna lock. You know, some people are gonna lock in that quick 20%. You know,
it does look like at BMR.
I'm just gonna sell at $7 now. I've just put a 7 at $7, so it automatically should do it. You know. So, but you know,
I'm gonna get on the 24/7 100. Menthol. Yeah, cheaper now. 60.
John, you were on about a trade. What trade are you on about, John?
I'm looking at BMR currently, and I do see BMR. It's at a spot right now where it's in a pullback, but it won't be long. It'll be ready to buy in again and ride it back up for sure. That RSI is coming down currently.
Thank you.
But it has already grown substantially.
It'll come down to, John. What number do you think it will come down to?
Let's see here.
I'm trying to get in at 650.
Hold on, I'm trying to see what that gain was real quick. Sorry, had a 94.67% gain. That was that big pump right there, right? So, Billy's right. It's definitely got another one in it. $10, that would just be the beginning, too, because if it makes this cup, but I also think Billy's right about that, too, because if it makes the cup and it's going to make the handle, then around the $10 mark, because you can see right here that we are starting to form a tabletop across there. So the next thing, the next step would be for it to get up to about that 989 mark right there, and then it might start making the handle. And then after it makes that handle, it'll really pop on up. Because
John, do you think it'll go down? Do you think it'll go if it hits the $7? Do you think it's going to dip a little bit again?
Well, let's look at the day.
My average is 670. My average is 670. 682 now. Do you think it's going to get to 670 once it hits $7? That's my question.
Well, right here I'm showing on the day chart. You can see there's an doji. But then there's 2 indecisive candles right after that doji. Right, currently, that does look good, but that's not enough information. So that makes me think there might be more information coming out on earnings with BMR. Do you know if there is, Billy?
You say what?
BMR, is there supposed to be earning information coming out this week?
No, I don't think so. It's earnings season right now, ain't it? Don't they all got earnings coming up soon?
Well, yeah, I'm just not sure what rotation is. Hold on, I might be able to figure that out real quick.
I'm not too sure. Like me myself, when I be going for the swing trades off the 52-week goals, I don't be knowing what they be having going. Like the first time I really don't even look that deep into them. You know, I just see bullish divergence and I just go for that 7 to 15%.
Right.
Like I said, I don't really mind that. All these companies are horrible. I mean, as far as I mean, as far as I've been in the markets, you know what I mean? All these stocks are messed up, and I know for a fact that a lot of these stocks not gonna be here later on. Most of them gonna sell off anyways. You know, I just go for that reversal. I don't be minding they got earnings. I don't be worried about they coming out with news. You know, I don't even care if that company survive. That whole building can get destroyed. All like that. I'm just liking my games real quick and move around. You know,
Right. Yeah.
and having this robotic, nonchalant attitude towards these companies because I really don't care about these companies. Well, I mean, I'll probably care more about them if I knew more about them or had more invested into them. But no, nah.
Or if you're trying to go for a long-term investment.
We just go for a quick come up. We just go for a quick come up. But I have been declining. I'm still holding on EVC. EVC pay dividends. It's small dividends, really not much, you know. But I was thinking about holding for the dividends. Like I'm up like 10% right now, and I've been holding in that motherfucker for probably like I don't know, probably like almost like 2 weeks now. I was thinking about selling, but then when I was about to sell, it started going up some more. I'm like, man, if this thing explodes and then they make the dividends go up, because EVC is currently the cheapest stock that I found with dividends. It's like $1.
Yeah.
Right. Okay. Well,
It's
let's.
hot. The only other one cheaper was when I seen was like I think MPW. We're talking about dividends now because I'm gonna start getting heavily into dividends until like the next year.
I'm gonna give you some top dividends, Billy. You're gonna be rich.
Hold on.
I need the cheap. I need the cheap ones, man. I need the ones that are at $1, and I need the ones that are at $1. Quality stocks at $1 with dividends that are gonna turn into $100 in the next 2 years. That's what I'm looking for dividends.
I got dividends, right, with real estate backed up by the government. So you're not going to lose them, and it's going to be good. You're going to be healthy. You know, as long as you get them dividends, you get five grand. If you can spread five grand, or even a grand in the dividend for now, just test, you'll do well. I get dividends every month. I get £28. I get £90 for PayPoint, and that's 40. But then sometimes it's paid twice dividends. You know. There's that company called Global Net Lease. The best. It does real estate all over the country. Not even all over any country. It does it all over the bloody world. You know?
I see.
You're looking at AAA companies. AAA. You know what AAA is? If in the winter it's cold, you know, you buy ski wear, don't you? So they're going to do well in some other sections. If it's in the summer and there's no winter, then the ski wear goes up and you put the sunglasses on. You know, that's what AAA companies are. They're always, depending on the seasons, they work by seasons, you know? So some of the companies, like the AAA, they never go down. They're always on the seasons, the AAA companies, you know? And they're always constantly growing as well. So, you know, people make a lot of money. You know, if you can get your portfolio 10 grand dividend, you don't need to do your shares again. So people go real estate, buy properties. But if you don't buy properties, you put some dividend. But some of them are risky, so you've got to do a lot of homework on your dividends, you know. And if the company's going down a little bit, they're paying less, so they pay more dividends to keep the shareholders. So that's a good thing as well. Sometimes they pay extra dividends because the company isn't doing too well financially. So then they want to hold us, you know, the stakeholders.
I see. Yeah, man, it's a whole lot more to learn. And when I do master the dividends, I'm gonna start making videos on the dividends. It's gonna be like a whole new sector.
Yeah,
It's gonna be cool, man.
just put £1,000, you know, just test the water, 500, and then you over the month when you get dividends, you'll see which one pays well. If the ones that pay really well and then constantly, then you can do a little bit of more research into the companies, you know. But like I said, I've got a few good companies, you know, that are quite solid, you know.
What's the best one? What's the best one you think? What's the best one you think you got right now?
I think there's a company called Good GOD and Global Net Lease as well is a good one. And MPW is a good one.
I see. There's some of those lithium stocks. You know, I've been doing a lot of lithium. Is probably the one company / industry that I've been looking into a lot for the last like couple of weeks. or months
Yeah.
now. Lithium is about to be major. Lithium is going to be super major, man. They need lithium for everything, especially now, and they finna start using these humanoid robots every which way. They finna start using this lithium a whole lot more than we
You
ever
know,
have
the,
before.
yeah,
Lithium is gonna be fire. So one of some of the lithium stocks are still cheap right now, like LLAC or LAAC, and I think there's another one called SLI. Those ones right there, like those are like penny stocks. I don't know if they got dividends or not, but if they do, those will be super hot. There's also they say that what replaces lithium, because you guys didn't know this, is sodium. Now, I haven't. I don't think I found. I don't think I found any sodium stocks. But hot lithium stocks, bro. Hot lithium, man. That if we can find a lithium stock that got those dividends, that's gonna be huge. It's gonna do nothing but nonstop, bro. Too easy.
You're right. 100% right. Them lithium stocks are going to go crazy. I've read about them as well. And there's, in Florida and places like that, I don't know what the company's called. There was one company called Rock or something. Someone's digging lithium. Do you know the company? There's a company that is doing lithium, and they're going to go parabolic. You know, there's some companies that are doing lithium, and also is like metals, mineral companies, to do it as well. So they do well. But there's definitely some lithium company, because obviously these EV companies are going to buy them all out. Tesla and all these other stocks are going to start buying these lithium and things. So they're going to go crazy. But you need to know that there's a company, I forgot the name. There's definitely a company. I don't know. Let me check in my notes. But there's a company that do lithium stocks, and absolutely it's going to go crazy. Northern rock or something. Is it rock? I don't know.
Well, that EVC, Billy, I've got it pulled up here, and it really is looking good. It is at that bottom. The RSI is all the way down low. Uh, the MACD
Did
looks
you
good
say
on it.
EVC? Let me check. Did you say
EVC.
EVC? Right, let me check
EVC.
as well. Okay, let me check in my graph and see what I see. See what it's going to do.
It
See if
does
it's showing a
say
bit of.
dividends
I'll see if it's
negative
showing.
113%. So that's never good.
EVC. So I'm
EVC.
having a hard.
It's a strong buy though for analyst rating. So
Right. No, 12%. It's a right. Okay, $145 million company, a revenue 1.1 billion, 1.11 billion. EV stock 12.35. Yeah, it's looking good, and it's looking to go to 167.
we'll see. And
164.
the minimum for this stock is 175. The average is 263, and then the max will be the 350.
And, and is this a monthly dividend or quarterly dividend, Billy? When does it pay the dividend? Do
Oh,
you know, John? When does it pay the dividend?
I am not sure.
I like it. I like this company actually. Especially when it shows a few billion. I like it. 12% dividend. Yeah, it looks. And EV is the next thing, isn't it?
Well,
Intervention. What does it actually do? What's the full spec of the company?
well,
Right.
let's
Okay.
see. I have no idea. This was one of
Oh, it's an
Billy's
advertising
calls,
company.
but it
Yeah,
really does look
corporation
really good though.
yeah, global advertising solution, media and technology company.
EVC, man. EVC is never going to be this cheap again. And
No.
since this thing is, it's an EVC stock right now. Okay, so they are. So we already go. Everybody's already going in for the swing. They're going in for the safe swing on EVC. Now it's got dividends. While it's at the ultimate discount right now, long-term investors have waited a very, very long time for this stock to get back into this position. Meaning that not only are the swing traders going to send this thing for a round, the long-term investors, big whales and whatnot, they're going to make it explode. They're just gonna make it. They're gonna make it explode because they got dividends. So the long-term investors and big whales, they're gonna add on that pressure. They're gonna tell all the other whales in the ocean to go ahead and get this while it's still there. Then eventually, EVC stock is gonna come in. We have those lows. We have those 52-week. You know how I go. It's gonna get picked up by the volume ticker. It's gonna get picked up by stock beep scanner. They gonna come out with some hot news because they doing some good works. They gonna upgrade the CEO. Everybody gonna load that thing. This right now is gonna turn to about $3-4 real quick. Big whale's gonna push up to about $7-8 real fast. They're gonna take a quick dip back down, holding around like 4-5 with support. They'll come out with bad news about 2-3 months down the line, send them back down to about maybe even $1 real fast. And they're gonna do the same exact thing again until they upgrade their dividends, making big whales go in for an even longer move. It's always the same exact thing on these stocks. And as I just got out, I literally just projected the entire chart, every time frame in my mind.
Billy, I love the way you project things, you know. You know, you should go on fucking CNN. Honestly, you should go on CNN.
I have thought about
the way you talk,
because like, you know, we watching like the stock news and stuff like that. How they be like how they be passing the mic to each other and stuff like that. I'm like, bro, I could break down anything to the world. You know, I have no problem for the thousands, for the millions of people.
I'll be your backward consultant doing a bit of written text for you, bit of information, and you break it down. It should be a good time.
I do believe they're going to hit me up one day. They're going to invite me to it one day. They're going to invite me. Everybody's starting to discover. They believe it's really getting discovered right now. They're going to see it. They're going to like the juice. You know what I mean? And then they're going to say, hey, you want to come on? They're going to try to challenge me and call me out on some things. And I'm gonna blow their mind in about 7-8 minutes, explaining everything on the stock, on every time frame, things that they never understood because the low key, those people really don't. Look, man, I don't know. Some people don't understand oversold and overbought. You know, then those are the most basic things. And even those big whales don't understand that. That's why they be going for willy-nilly moves and looking for pumps and rallies. That's why they be looking towards the news to tell them what to do next and stuff like that. You know? Because they don't understand that oversold turns back into overbought, and overbought goes back down to oversold. Causing this makes us, literally, the market masters. So this thing, it's only like, I don't know how many people in the world, but it's only probably about 10, maybe now 15% of the people in the world that are actually into the stock markets. Of that small percentage, like they say, 90% of all traders and investors are failures. We are in that very small 10% of winners in the market.
We need to be winners, man. Billy, when are we going to be millionaires? That's the thing. When are we going to really shock it? We need to,
I don't know. You know, they get new money and whatnot as well. I'm thinking, my banking ability, my business is actually just my business account. Just they say qualified to get the business loans or whatever they got going on. I never did it before. But I'm thinking about doing that right now. I'm thinking about what stock should I just throw a whole 1,000 into? I don't know how to do it yet.
Oh, you mean get business loan and trade it? Business loan and trade it.
Trade it?
Get the loan and then trade it. Is that what you're going to say?
Yeah, that's what I was thinking. You know, I get the loan and then I just trade it up real quick. Same thing I've been doing.
Have you had a strategy that you're constantly making on certain stocks that you've done, and then?
I mean, I do the same thing I'm doing now. You know what I mean? Literally, you know. But thinking about new money, think about fast money. I have sat here and thought about fast day trades and whatnot with it, which is of course probably the most risky thing.
Well, you don't need to do that because on a loan you have to pay interest, yeah. So on a loan you pay about 10, 15, 20% interest. Well, we could, like I say, if we get this thing going with John and everyone starts making money all the time. If it depends on how many you got to invest, and we put 500 into this fund, you don't need a loan, do you? And then you'll be trading that for us, so there's no repercussions, is there? There's no like interest you got there.
Well, the reason why I'm thinking about starting to do the loans for is because the more loans and whatnot that you get and you paying back, then your loan rates go up or whatnot. So like it could be $2,000 right now, but over the course of the next year, you know, eventually a motherfucker will be able to take out a $50,000 loan. You know what I mean?
Yeah, you can. Well, you can do personal.
Yeah.
No, you can. No, what you need to do, you need to get. These credit cards. Credit card. Yeah, credit card. You can get like sometimes 50,000, 100,000 on a credit card, 0% for the first 6 months.
Oh, I see.
Yeah, so get a credit card for 0% for first 6 months. Get it, use it, transfer it to account, bang it and bang it back, in and out, 0% for the first 6 months.
That's a genius idea, definitely.
Huh?
Yeah, that's what I was thinking. That's what I was thinking about yesterday and today. Right now, how
You get credit card. There's like American Express and that. Sometimes they got deals on. You check the credit cards. They've got a deal. You qualify for it, right? And then you get interest free for the first 5 months. Draw 5-10 grand out of it, interest free. Bang it into shares. Bang it back, and you still got credit card. Forget a loan. You don't need a loan. You just need a good consultant like me. You don't need a loan.
Oh my.
0%. You can always think smart, don't think hard, Because, have you had any CCJs? Have you had any CCJs ever? Have you had any, like, county court judgments or anything, bills that you not paid or anything like that? Have you got a clean record?
I have a clean record.
Well, that's fine, then they'll give you a 0% MPI. Just say, I'm doing trading business, I earn another 20 grand a year, and they'll just, it depends, they'll reassess you, and they'll give you a credit card, maybe 1% or 0% for the first 7 months. And then at that card, you put it down, you transfer the money, you borrow, you buy something, like you want to buy something, and then you transfer the money, let's say you transfer it into your account, let's say 5 grand, 10 grand, 0%, first 4 months, and then whack it into a nice trade, or trade it twice, so keep 3 or 4 trades going, and then once you made money, stick the money back to, pay them back within a month or 2 months. They give you a time limit, don't they? Before they start charging that 2% or 3%, it won't be much interest anyway. So that's how we do it, and then that's it. Then once you keep that card clear, you won't have to pay. You still got a credit card. You can still use it in liquor stores and stuff like that. But you just got to pay every month. Every month you got to pay off. If there's nothing on it, you got to pay nothing. You just hold the card, and that will increase your credit rating as well. So next year, if you've got no credit, you've done well, and you've not bought, there's no debt on it, then they give you more loans every year. They give you extra, on the credit card. They might make it 50 grand, might give you a gold card. You can use up to 50,000.
I see. So if you guys were able to get a $50,000 loan, what would you do with said $50,000? Any ideas?
I put in a lot of banking group because I know they're paying dividends on the 11th of April, right? And they're going to give like £1.86 dividend. I put 50 grand into the best real estate dividend fund I got for that monthly dividend, and I get that dividend and then pay it back next month, and then I'll take it back out again, and I'll keep in and out of a dividend fund every month. Easy.
I see.
I would definitely break it down.
It's no brainer. End of the day, it's no brainer. You just like when I had my property, right? If you get a property and you do a repayment, the bank knows you're paying it back, right? So they're going to charge you that interest, and every year they take that extra money. Oh, instead of £100, we're going to charge you £125 or £150. So then you pay that, but every year you lose 10. Your monthly payments go down by £10 or £15. Now with me, I take interest only, where it'd be less. I pay less. They don't know I'm paying it off. So I'm just paying the interest, but the interest might be at 2% or 4%, where repayment might be at 5%, So I take interest only, so they don't know I'm paying it off. So every year I put £5,000 down, then I'll see the reduction in my payment from £50 to £20. I'll see a massive reduction. And that's how you pay off your houses or, whatever you buy, your loans, So you got to think smart like that. You can't tell them anything. You just got to, think outside the system. If you break the system, then you're going to be rich. You've got to break the system, though.
Yes, I agree. Because
Rockefellers, they don't want you to break the system. They need workers. They need workers like you, be. But when you break outside the box, that's the only way you're going to become rich. You can't become rich otherwise. You know, you got to work and break the system. That's how you do it. You know. I mean, I've got a house, I've got property. Obviously, that's my main income. That's why I'm not working at the moment because I've got some revenue. But that's how I did it. I just every my contract got good money, paid $5,000 off every year. So I did tell them I'm paying it off. I just left it interest only, and then I kept paying it down. And then when I had the money, I paid it off like that. That's how you do it. So then you actually see a reduction in a monthly payment go down, not £5-10 a year. You know, I see £50 go down. You know, so now. So what you want to do now, get a card. I'll find a card for you, and you just apply for it. And it's 20 grand, you know, interest free for the first 6 months. You take the maximum out, stick it in the shares, bang it back next month, and then that's it, like that. There's no loans you're gonna pay. Why do you want to pay 10-15% on a loan? You know, use American Express.
This is very wise. This is very wise. I'm actually learning. I'm digesting a lot of information here about loan strategies right now.
Oh yeah, for sure.
I told him I was making money, so you know, with the dividend stock, and then you just stick it in a brilliant dividend stock, Global Net Lease or MPW. You don't get paid 2 months. You got 6 months for window, right? You'll make that money. Or we're going to make that money. You make that money and pay off your card. That's it. And keep your card in your hand just in case you have a rainy day. And keep building up your credit rating. That's all you got to do. There are interest fees, lots of interest free deals for 6-7 months, interest free. And then they charge you like 3%, 2%. So it's not much they charge you anyway. But they give you up to £20,000, don't they? $20,000. And then you can get up to 50,000. You know, how much do you need? That's all you do. It's the best way.
Hush!
Look at credit cards. Just type in credit cards. Now, just type in credit cards. American Express credit cards. What even
Hush.
now, I'll tell you, you can apply for it.
Hush.
Credit cards. Interest free.
Hush.
Right. 0% interest. Right. Accept. Yeah, the comparison websites. There's Tesco, Sainsbury's. There's like they give you interest-free credit cards for you know for right interest-free for up to £5,000. Here's one interest-free credit card. Corporation 0% credit card. Corporation for £5,000. For that's good money as well. For the first 5 months or something, you know. Compare, and you can go and compare credit cards. There's lots of compare sites for credit card. There's Sainsbury's, Tesco's that do credit cards, and then you pay something like 3% transfer fee, 0% for 28 days. So you'll be in and out of a share by then, Billy, won't you? You know, and pay it back.
I see.
It's a lot of good information.
Huh?
There's a lot of information.
Sorry, guys.
No, you're good. That's good stuff.
Huh?
Let's see here.
Is that good?
Yep. Here's another one you guys need to keep your eye on, and that's that TLRY.
TLM.
Yeah.
I like this EV though. What we do is the EV one that on my chart is going down at the moment. So I've set an alert. But give me that again. Let me write that down. So sorry, give me that TL what?
TLRY. You're gonna want to get it in the squeeze, but
LRY. And what's the entry?
I'm not sure right now, because I think this one also has.
I'll tell you the entry.
It also has information coming out. Yeah, I would have to pull it back up. Let's see.
TLRY.
It looks like the day range is 224 to 246. The 52-week range is 150 to 340.
Right, so that's
The current price is
Tillery brand,
241.
whatever it is. Tillery brand. Right, okay, so I've got right, 1.7 billion pound market cap. Oh, no, that's a good company, John. Let me see.
Well, if you look at
All right,
the
at the moment, yeah, it's going to get 246.
so if you look
It's going
at
to
your
get
day,
246.
look at your day for your overall, and you can
Yeah,
see that it has a consistent growth.
there.
EVE stock has a
Oh, yeah.
consistent growth.
It's dipped a little today, but it's got consistent growth. Yeah, no, I have to look at my maximum chart on mine. If I do
Yeah.
max, no, it's had a bit of a drop, John. Yeah, there's a drop. It's dropped from about 17, 18, 16. Look, so I'll show you my full chart. This is what I get. So I get that, and then and then I'll show you my chart. Right, look at this chart. I'm
And
gonna text you,
look
John.
at
Yeah.
those hard spikes right there. I mean, it spikes up to $11, and then it'll come back down to 1036. I
Billy's
mean,
gone. Yeah, Billy's gone a bit quiet now because I think he's got some too much information there. Billy,
No, I'm
that's a lot to
hey,
process.
come give Richard. Right, I'm gonna send you this. Yeah. All right, John, hold on. Let me send you this on that stock you're talking about. Um, right, I've done the projection on it. There we go. Bang that out for you so you can make. So that's what it is, and this is where it was. There, can you see it?
Let's see
Have
here.
you get it?
Let me get it pulled up here.
Yeah. Billy, I'll send you it as well. So that's what John's been on about. Yeah, it's going to do well today.
Yeah, so it looks like 224 to 246, which we're already on our
Yeah.
way. Of course,
Yeah.
that's where I said what did I say, 243 or something like that. But anyways,
Yeah. Definitely going
now,
up today.
oh
Definitely go up to
yeah,
246. And it's a very good company, very quality company.
yeah, good quality company.
EVC, I like this one and EVC,
It's
Just
definitely
my
one to
hands
keep
up.
our eye on. I want to watch it drop down some more before I get in that one, but it's definitely
No,
one
but
to
it's
keep
not
an
going to
eye
drop.
on.
It's not going to drop today, John. I don't think
No,
it's going
no,
to, unless
no.
it goes on the red banner. If it gets to 224, but then only when that's green, but it's more on the green. So I think it's going to go up at the moment, and it's a bit high, for buying it, but it's going up.
Yeah, I'm just gonna wait. But
Yeah,
it's going to be a good one to watch. I mean, the consistency is
yeah,
very impressive. That I do like the
yeah,
consistency. And if you look at the RSI, I mean, you're barely over halfway, and it's still going
right,
up. So I mean,
yeah.
for it to be a regular
I need,
consistency like that,
yeah, I need to sit with once I get this computer. I've just been very busy with lots of things. Once I get my computer proper it's set up. I just need to really put it and ring you, and then I need you to take me through all this RSI and I understand the charts. I understand my way of charts, but I the MACDs and stuff. I need to really have a little session with you, Billy.
oh yeah,
I need some. I need a bit of education. I think I can
sure,
be very dangerous if I get too much. I'll be dangerous then. You
that's the
know.
way to be. That's the way to be.
Yeah, I'll be very dangerous, and we should make some good money. We should make some good money, you guys, anyway. So but if you do this, Billy had a really good point today about getting this loan. So if you get a credit card, and we can nail it. You guys can apply for credit cards. Tesco, the other big liquor stores, big like Sainsbury's or big, market stores. They have cards, don't they? Like Sainsbury's, Tesco. You can grab one of them, right? And then you can just transfer like 5 grand, bang it in. And once we get a working system, sky's the limit.
Oh
You
yeah,
know.
it's
And
true.
you got a month or 6 months to pay that off on 0% interest. But
And
like I
this,
said, go on.
if you're gonna be more dangerous than now, it's gonna be a problem. You
We
dangerous
are going to
already,
make up.
man.
I'm hoping to. But like I said, sometimes things don't happen. But I think if you believe, and you've got people like John, you've got people like yourself, you've got people like Billy, and we can make it happen collectively. It'll happen for all of us. That's what it is. And sometimes, your luck's not with you, but it's other people's luck's with you. So sometimes, if we get on and we can do it together, make it together, then it's a lot more fun. Yeah, and we can ride on people's luck.
That's true.
You can ride on people's luck. So it's all about karma, though. Ash. If you're with someone who's going downhill and you're linked with him, you're going to go downhill, Ash. Yeah, whether your luck is good or not. If there's someone who's going downhill, you're going to go downhill because you're connected to him. Yeah, that's how it works.
Yeah.
Cool.
Success breeds success.
Are y'all in SEAL? SEEL?
No.
Go look at SEAL stocks. SEAL was one of the weekend swings.
Oh yeah,
You'll like what you see. Definitely.
I sent you that one. I sent someone that one. See, I'll have that one. I did send someone out that one.
In there at that 50 cents, this stock is up about 11% right now. Sitting good, getting ready to explode for the very clean. Same sort of thing. I don't know how it go, man. Same thing. And it's gonna fill that gap up back towards that dollar. It's gonna be easy on sale. Easy right here. I'm talking about look at this volume. We got an average volume of 433,000. The current value now getting up to 100,000. I got a free float on like 13 million right now. It's gonna get filled fast. We just need volume to meet up with the average volume. Once the volume gets up to about 400, 500,000, it's already gonna start to spike from there. Once you get up to that million, it's just gonna start taking off. They finna fill that gap back to that dollar. Easy. It's probably gonna start getting super choppy up there at that dollar though. You know how it go. But not too late though, man. Not too late. BMR as well right now. BMR getting all kinds of bullets these last few days. Coming in for some super hot bullishness today. I see going all the way back up towards the highs of $7. Right? Meets is really testing that $7. I don't want this thing to go over $7. I see. If this thing break that $7, it's gonna super explode. Easy.
Do you think I should sell it? I shouldn't sell.
I mean, I don't know how many percent gonna be up at 7%. What's that gonna be like? 10% up?
$7.
I guess. I mean, yeah, you lock in for a quick round, and then once they sell it off real fast, 'cause they definitely going. I don't know. Like I say, if it break that $7, then this stock is gonna be an easy uptrend towards that $10.
Yeah.
And it might just do a quick spike to that $10. This is another one of those low float things. I'm talking about like free float on like 6 million.
Which one you talking about, Billy?
Now we talking about BMR.
Oh, BMR. BMR, I got in at 670. I got it. When y'all talking about it, I got in at 670.
Did you?
Yeah, I made good money with the BMR before it got out. That was like when it popped, first day popped, like maybe a few weeks ago, maybe about a month ago.
Yeah.
You remember one day it popped like all the way up to like 1,000%, 11% it was up that day.
I see. So we can be expecting a huge move then.
You remember when it went up 1,000% in one day?
Really?
Yeah,
I didn't catch that.
Yeah,
You said CO?
No, not zero. BMR.
Oh, BMR. Oh yeah. When BMR is for, they went up to like $35. Yeah, that was huge, and that really wasn't too long ago. That was actually, that was like a month ago back when this happened. So like, it's about to do it again.
Yeah,
Okay.
Made $675 in like 20 minutes and got out.
I see. Yeah, man, BMR. Everybody caught around in BMR stock.
Don't forget that's my stock. Listen, do you know this BMR? Do you think I should sell at 7, or do you think I should just leave it? Don't put selling it. Do you think it's going to just spike straight away?
I think you should hold it for the next 2 days and let it go up to 10.
Also, don't you think I should set a sell limit now at 7 and then get back in
Oh,
today?
I can't really tell you too much because
No,
I put much on that. You should
I
ask
know.
Billy all the time.
No, okay.
I'll tell you one thing for sure. That's 7
Go
to
on.
15% guaranteed in reversal. I'll tell you
Right,
one
so
thing for sure.
let me take that $7 off for now, and then I'll check it later on. Yeah, if I make a handsome profit, I'll take them. I'm $9 up at the moment. I forgot even taking that. And then it seems to be dipping, doesn't it? It seems to be dipping, and so my average is 670. I want to get it below 670.
I'll be back in 1 minute, guys. I'll be back.
What's your average? Who's got what's people's averages on BMI at the moment?
I'm in BMR at 640.
Oh, fucking, that's beautiful. Oh, that was the time when we were speaking and you got in, isn't it? And I couldn't get in because I didn't have a word to sort of stop.
Yeah, I remember that day. Yeah.
And then I said a buy at 650, didn't I? I never reached it. Never reached my buy. Because I alerted you, didn't I, Billy? And then you went straight into it, didn't you?
Yeah, man, I wasn't trying to miss out on that. We done seen this thing. We done seen this thing make a couple moves since then.
Yeah. Man, I'm $12 up now. I might just get out and get it at six. If I don't know. Is that with my luck? If I sell it now at $12 profit, it's gonna go down. Definitely gonna go up again. You know what I mean? It's gonna spike again. It's not gonna. It's not gonna get to 69. No way. I'll never get to 69 now, will it? Or 65.
I'll look at it here in just a second and see what it says.
And if I sell it now, I've made $12 anyway. Which is 1.11%.
Let's see.
Oh, I'm just gonna do some gardening now.
Okay, which one is it? Which one are we talking about?
BMR.
BMR. Yeah, this one's looking really good. It's sitting on that tabletop. It's holding at that 664. It looks like that's where the support is, and your resistance is at 699. So to me, well, you know it's going to go up. But let's look here. And 7 days ago, it looks like it had some news. It did good. Strong buy. $8 is their prediction in a year. We have not met that yet, right? Yes, we have. We've got all the way up to $33. So, okay. So they're saying for the average. I got you now. For the average, that's still. I mean, it's still supposed to go up. So, yeah, that's looking good.
Wow! Look at the chart. 1,000.
I'm sure it'll have another hard pump simply because all the people that's going to be getting in this one, because it is a strong buy. It's showing really well. I couldn't agree with Billy more. Get in on the pullback. It's probably not going to have much of a pullback. I'm figuring around the 664, and if it does pull back a little bit before, all it's done is created a double bottom, which this was the anticipation with BMR. Already.
I might leave it. I'm not going to risk it because if my luck would go to $7-8 dollars for me. I'm leaving it.
Let's see here. See, I mean, it really does. It's coming out to. I'm in the 4-hour right now, and it's created this double bottom. So if we get the 3 soldiers right here, it'd be a good time to jump in.
So what's linked to this is what do you think of CLSK then? CLSK, because that's going $23 now. I predict that at $20. CLSK is linked with this one, you see.
CLSK.
Yeah. Look at it.
Let's see here.
10K. It's gonna get to. Clean Sparks. Clean Sparks. That's like the MARA. You know, where the link to that. This is the main one. It's a 4.6 billion company. This is a very good quality one. This is gonna rocket.
Yeah, it's been rocketing for a while now.
Yeah.
Since back in
This is.
December. I mean, it's had very strong growth since. Let's see here. Yeah, about December 22nd, right in there.
Yeah.
1st of January was definitely the time to get in on this stock. It's had steady uptrend. So that's looked well. Let's go back down here. Yeah.
Are you guys stay? Are you guys going to stay online for a bit? I'm going to shoot off for a few minutes. Well,
I
about half
am
an hour.
not. Well,
Are you?
actually, I am staying online for a little bit longer. What is today? Is today Wednesday?
Yeah, that's what I've got a few calls to do.
Oh, awesome.
I
Yeah.
want.
Awesome. I may get off for
Not
a little
bad.
bit, but I would definitely be getting back on. Yeah, Niche, this CLSK, it definitely has more room looking at your RSI in the 4-hour chart. You do see that good trend that it has going on here, and it's right in the middle of the squeeze. It looks like it's just making the turn right now for the squeeze itself.
Right.
CLSK. What chart is this? Is this a 15-minute chart we looking at?
No, I'm looking at a 4-hour chart. Here's the
I've got some
15.
good. Oh, hold on, John. Something's come up now. I've got some good stocks that have come up for me. Let me look. Let me analyze them before you go. I don't need to. Right. 400.
Clean Spark been making moves, man. They've been getting a lot more attention than what they used to.
Yeah, I know. It's a quality.
Yeah. I'm in. I'm in Clean Spark.
Brilliant. It's the best.
But I got in at 23. You remember I told you that earlier, right, Nish?
Yeah, I got in at 20.
Yeah.
That's it,
Okay.
man.
I got it late.
Yeah. You know, just if you see a chart, then you just set an entry point and leave it. Just go about your day and do whatever you got to do, and it'll hit it. You know what I mean, Ashley? All the time.
Yeah.
And if it doesn't hit, it's not your day that day. You know, that's fine. You know.
Yep. True.
So I'm trying to get right. There's some the hood HOOD. Let me see what that is. HOOD. I've got some stocks that have come up
I
just
got
now.
HOOD. That's actually top of my screener.
Right, I've write this down then. I've got ALT, A for Alpha Lima T for Tango. I've got SMR.
Hold on. I was not ready. Niche. All right, say it again. Go again.
A for Alpha Lima T for Tango, ALT. I've got SMR, S for Sierra, M for Mother, R for Romeo, and I've got Hood. Them three stocks, they've come up on one of my pop-ups. So have a look at them. I think they're going to be.
Sure.
They're going to go parabolic this evening.
All right.
I reckon
we can definitely do that in the next one here. Till next time.